Nilfisk introduces VP600, the new vacuum cleaner that eases any cleaning task and has a magnetic attraction. VP600 has a number of new innovations to give the user the best tool for delivering an efficient and thorough job. The extremely efficient fan unit starts in 730 watts and has an amazingly energy-saving power mode of 330 watts. VP600 is ideal for daytime cleaning or for use in environments where low sound level is required, such as around working staff in an office or among guests in a hotel. No one will be disturbed by the VP600. A lot of thought has gone into designing the VP600 to make it a great work tool. The long experience in the market has helped Nilfisk to create small but innovative features. For instance, the accessory holders have been reversed to make them user-friendly and easy to reach. The magnetic, self-locating dust bag cover has been designed to make dust bag changes easy, fast and trouble-free, leaving you with a highly reliable machine. The VP600 is equipped with a fine HEPA filtration to ensure a clean environment. A sac filter and a HEPA H13 exhaust filter is standard in all VP600 variants. Change of the HEPA filter has been made very easy with 2 half-turn lock screws, giving access to the filter. When a cleaning task is done, the VP600 can quickly be wrapped together. The durable, thoroughly tested and easy-to-use cord rewind sends you off to the next task within a second, saving you time and energy. Just step the button and off you go. The modular design of the VP600 makes it particularly easy to maintain for years to come. When a part is worn down, service is easy to do. As an example, the cord can be replaced quickly and hassle-free. It also makes it possible to choose the cord that fits your cleaning job best: basic, detachable, or the time-saving cord rewind. With its cutting-edge design and highly reliable functions, the VP600 series offers you a clever, high-performance machine, saving energy for both you and the environment without making any compromises.